Welcome back. Fishermen affected by storm in last month will get 10,000 rupees as relief from the CRF fund. Ironically, the fishing community has suffered loss running into lakes. The storm had hit Palole, Agonda and other South Goa beaches in the wee hours of 27 November. Funds will be released after an emergency meeting of sanctioning committee at the South Goa Collectorate.
Palole, Agon, Galjibag and many beaches in South Goa were hit by tide and stormy winds on 20th November. Talati report on storm has suggested that around 82 fishermen face wrath of nature. 22 fishing boats wrecked and 10 huge fishing nets were torn apart in the storm. Depression over Maldives and Lakshadweep had resulted in stormy winds. Now the Fisheries Department and Talati's report has reached Deputy Collector's office. Deputy Collector Ashutosh Apte has informed that affected fishermen will get 10,000 rupees each from the CRF fund as a relief.
Basically, CRF that comes from central government and त्यांचं typical norms असतात, so by which canoes and net fishing material we are able to give per person somewhere around 10,000 or so. Over and above, we'll have to just find out what exactly can be the government decision on it. The licensed ones that's under natural calamity घेवपाक शकतात. So 3 कडचे report आसा. एक पावल्याचो जो आसा आमकां तो there are around 82 claimants in all. आगोंदाचो आसा तो 25 एक सुमार आसा आणि खोलाचे साडेवी खोलाचे 45 सुमार.
The sanctioning committee, comprising of 3 members at Collectorate, will have an emergency meeting and look after the release of relief funds for the fishermen under CRF norms. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Seems like this Liberation Day will witness many agitations. Goan Seamen Association of India has announced an agitation on 19 December to protest against the government's failure to fulfill their long-pending demands. They have threatened to teach a lesson to the government if their demands are not fulfilled before the forthcoming assembly poll.
Goan Seamen Association of India held a press conference on Monday in Margao. President of the association, Dixon Vaz, announced that around 2,500 seamen from various parts of the state will hold a dharna on 19 December when Goa will celebrate its golden jubilee of liberation.
From Shishini, Asolna, Veli, Sanzidi Areal, Kurtori, Makazana, Girdoli, Magitugale Kavelusi, Karmana, Benali, Varka, Kansali, Chandor, Majota, Betalbati, Kolva, Satistevan, Divar and Agasai. We will meet in Holy Spirit, Margao, 9:30. Okay? And then we will have our meeting in we will peacefully demonstrate. We will have a morcha slowly and collector address.
Seamen claim that as NRI and seamen, they have been contributing crores of rupees to Goan economy but have not received any support from the government.
As a seamen, government are crores and push and 1,500 korpa nahi. Jadna we have contributed to the government. So to I'm going to demand azun temi 100% galna kotlai mudai konai galna on behalf of 2,500 members now. If before this election, if you will not fulfill our demands, we will teach them a lesson.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Villagers of San Jose de Arial have opposed 3 housing projects in their area. They have blamed the Panchayat Secretary Rajendra Naik for issuing NOCs to the housing projects. Panchayat has now resolved to withdraw the certificate.
The villagers of San Jose de Arial held a general Gram Sabha on Sunday. Members cornered Sarpanch Martha Cardozo and the Panchayat Secretary Rajendra Naik with various issues. Freddy Traveso, Panch member, blamed the Panchayat Secretary for issuing no objection certificate to a housing project in the village. Later, Panchayat resolved to withdraw the certificate.
Garbage disposal हमको खाएंगे ना तो तेरे आसना मेगा प्रोजेक्ट ना देने ना सीधे लाओ ना उन पैसा चली जाए वो तीर garbage कौन होता है आज रामनाथ garbage चल जाए garbage सारे केस में सब रोड साइड जाता.
Freddy Traveso, Panchayat member, posed a number of questions pointing towards several illegalities that continue in the village.
आणि मागतो खबर केले म्हणून तुमच्या विलेजारा येणं हा कुठे तुमच्या नाटी पण होतो बाबा खाली
Sarpanch of the Panchayat, Martha Cardozo, informed us that she will look into the matter.
परमिशन दिलाने की अरे गालवी का
A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Group farming is getting popular in the state. Newly inaugurated Carbona Farmers Club has also adopted group farming in their village. They claim that the group farming helps farmers to avail government schemes on a large scale and also facilitate use of huge farming machinery.
Farmers from Carmona have formed Carmona Farmers Club in their village. This club is promoting group farming under the leadership of Blair Rodrigues. He says that each farmer can avail maximum benefits with group farming.
ग्रुप फार्मिंग हे करपाचें कित्याक आमच्या गांवांत धाकटी शेतां एक एकल्याची लँड होल्डरांची आसात ती आमी एक करून ती फार्मिंग करपाक चिंतलां आनी हे फार्मिंग करपाक एक कित्याक करपाक चिंतलां कित्याक तुमी जाणा ही धाकटी होल्डिंग आसता म्हणटरी आमकां व्हडली मशिनरी घालूंक जायना त्या पासत ही धाकटी होल्डिंगां सगळीं एक जावन एक ग्रुप करून आनी ग्रुप फार्मिंग करून ही मशिनां हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन ट्रॅक्टर मशीन ही करपाक केल्या.
Parish priest of Carmona village, Father Agnello Rodrigues said that mechanized farming should be motivated.
सरकाराचे सवलत्यो कितें मेळटात त्यो आयज ह्या क्लबा वरवीं सगळ्या लोकांक पावतें केलां म्हायती दिल्या ते भाशेन मिशिनरी हाडून दाखयलां तेंकां की आतां चड मानाय कामेऱ्यांक इतली नाका मिशिनरी घेवन जायते शेती आमच्यान करूं आनी ह्या पासत आमचें मुख्य जावंक जाय म्हणटा तें आमची शेतां पाड सोडल्या ती आमी परतून ती रोवंक.
Club had organized an exhibition in the village. Various farming machineries and high-yielding crops were also kept on display to educate farmers in the village. Our reporter from Carmona, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.